Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. You all know a franchise to choosing one. The 10-star general, and you don't know when time I come for represent, you know, I represent for Gaza and Alliance in a full effect, you know, a loud explosion every time when major necessary equipment, right? Watch. Well, hear me now, man. I come for ear up nuffy. Because here what? I see nuffy on an interview. And they want to make Winfred know say Sting on. Because him claim, you know what I mean, vybz Kartel and Buju Banton and go there. Well, what me I say to nuffy? What you say? A cartel are the alpha omega for Sting. Because remember, you know, a vybz Kartel now work Sting, you know. And Sting dead, you know. From that Sting dead, you know. You know what I mean? So what you say? And the teacher for come resurrect back that. Watch. You don't know, you know. I don't think the teacher have a problem with Sting, you know. As Wayne did say before, you know. And the money never had right, you know. So from papers right, you know what I mean? And you don't know when we come when the teacher come on road, we come for recuperate all losses. You see what I say? So from the papers right, everything will go good. You know, the people them eyesight. Watch. You know, no lollipop thing. You know what I mean? But I love that art there, nuffy. I love that art, and I respect that. You know what I mean? The only thing I don't respect is when you say you'd have to drop them, out couple of the veteran them. There ain't no way you're going to resurrect a show like that, like Sting. And you're going to have the likes of Buju Banton, Panit and vybz Kartel. And you have Bounty Killer and Beanie Man, Panit, na Caesar Kalonji and Capleton. You're mad that right. You know what I mean? You don't set no form of example of this, so nothing. You see what I deal with? You don't set no form of example of this, because you have to know what them man, they are the leader. Like that's how the thing start. And then a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? So all the rules have to govern there. They say you have to mix with the veteran and the youth them. It couldn't go like that. And vybz Kartel, you don't want it like that neither. That's something I'm sure of. You see me? I'm number one, an awesome show. You know what I mean? Something where you stuff. You know what I mean? A be a top man left on the show. You're mad. You can't have the likes of Buju Banton and vybz Kartel and you just have the youth and around them. You're crazy or you're mad. That's couldn't nice. It couldn't nice to dance all. And you know really, I couldn't show the type of unity and discipline where we want to require in the dance hall to set this thing off on a different level. But here we are going right now. I just going to take the time on to shoot up that little thing here. Yo, you see nightly fix, eh? Let me tell you something, man. You see that boy the Naro is a boy who I not really rate, you know. Him not do me nothing, nor him never say nothing bad about me, nor me not know him. I want to see him on him program where I deal with. And you don't know, when you see something, if it's either shoes, a piece of clothes, a vehicle, whatever, you have to like it before you even think of even say you're interested in it. You see what I mean? I don't like the youth program. First thing, when I do, I mean like him get a whole heap of interview from big artists, you know. But differently, anybody at all in that capacity there, and I get them interviewed from them artists there, them I go have viewers and them I go have a whole heap of people who are look out for them things. I don't really rate him. The reason why I don't rate the man, him no look dancehall a hardcore thing, you hear me? I used to dancehall as a hardcore thing. By me just looking upon the youth alone, him not fit for what him do. You know what I mean? Him not even have the style, the creative, Him is just a nerd to me. You see what me I deal with them uptown youth there. Him supposed to study for some scientist. Or maybe I draw the cartoon character them we go in at the cartoon movie them. I see him as them type of youth there. Me not see him as no youth where I sit down behind the mic and discuss about a dancehall thing. You see what me I deal with? And the next thing again, him no longer have the image. You see me? Him have the personality. And that me not like. The look of punk personality where him have. What kind of fuckery him want with Dre Air Radio? Is it because all the while through him a interview all these big artists and him not get the fucking response? You know what I mean? Like where J Air Radio that get from Fox 5. Is it because all of that him a pre the youth and him girl? Eh? A lollipop thing that, you know, let me tell you something, you know, man. A bad mind that, you know, me don't see it, all my gun see it. Watch. Hear me I say, yo, a long time I squeeze Lone Rapid pan here, you know, yo. A long time me I watch you, you know, I have you up from long time, you know. For a long time I see you there, I go like a shishki bag round the mic, you know. I'm not saying nothing to you, you know. From blood clot, Rhino kill Kip Rich, you know. Rhino kill Kip Rich, you know. And I see you there, they interview Kip Rich and I go like a fucker and make Kip Rich there with them look a fucker. And you there, you not tell him, say dead him dead. Yo, when you talk about dancehall business, dog, it don't really matter who. Me not deal with bias thing. You see, although me represent for Gaza and Alliance, not at all when you hear me talk about them a bias, a real fucking truth me talk. You see what I deal with? If you want to be biased or you want to talk something against them, or you want to go talk that, not me. But me I go talk the fucking truth. We go on. You see what I deal with? Right now kill the man. It's just like when Lady saw Maka Diamond challenge. And Lady saw drop big song for Maka Diamond. And a bass stumble, she stumble like she forgot her tune them. She can't even spit a verse. And the same thing right now have Kip Rich, so Kip Rich going on. Cause Kip Rich send build lyrics to everybody, all White Cliff, and him never build none for blood clot right now. Yo, from Stein walk out pan the man, a true Stein a joker, Stein for kill him, you know. From Stein walk out there, Kip Rich. Hold him fucking head, you can't go back, go watch back the video, him hold him blood clot head. Because him not no lyrics to them man there. Because Kip Rich, you know, gimmicks artist, you know, nursery him deal with, you know. Oh, Kip Rich is an artist, you know, when he's a man, you know. We used to real when him a go out with them thing in him young days, you know. When him a sing hey and all them song there, you know. The reason why me used to rate a youth there because him used to par behind Lexus and Bumbuckler Elephant man, you know. And when me see him do me not drop him ratings, you know, cause Kip Rich a gimmicks artist. You see what I deal with? I'm gonna show you where him do. You know what I mean? Kip Rich, you know. Me watch Lexus, you know. Lexus, you know, bring, you know, Kip Rich, you know, a Sting, you know, bring him up on film time, you know, Lexus bring up 3 man on him time, Kip Rich, Elephant Man and Sizzler. You saw me I show you Lexus, you know, them time the Lexus, you know, act like the worst volcano in Europe, you know. The man bring up Kip Rich, Lexus, and Elephant Man on him time. I'ma tell you, Kip Rich and Elephant you par with Lexus. Then and the man them shell long Sting flat. Yo, you send Killer and Lexus kick off. Eh? Kip Rich. Come a Sting. Come DJ song against blood clot Lexus to get forward. You see what I deal with? Me know that a stab in a back. Where I stab friend, a bitch attitude that. Me no work them way there, lollipop thing that. Then, him not only do that. The man them draw card for Elephant, say Elephant apart with Ishi. Guess who their jam world a Sting? I sing about it for hype. Big bitch Kip Rich again. See? Kip Rich and Black ranking par. The whole Jamaica know that. You see what I deal with? And when Black ranking and Maka Diamond sing the song say burn him. See? And the man them a Jamaica burn out Black ranking for the song. And Black know him couldn't go a Sting go perform it with Maka. So Black don't go. Guess who they Sting about out him friend Black ranking for forward? Bitch Kip Rich again. And then him when Rhino kill him, him a run go on stage pan that boy the program. That boy there, when him narrow, per nightly fix. And I thought about a time come out, they come roll up in time. Yo, like say we are fool. You think, yo, you can't dip on battlefield. A man come out, they come and roll up your time. And you know pop off and let him have it. Eh? What kind of fool? Me tell you, you know boy narrow, you know fit for them things that from them time they may watch you. And know say you're a clown. You this time, instead of you tell keep rich the truth. You know what I mean? You this the youth, instead of you tell keep rich the truth. You know what I mean? And I hide behind. Me say, yo, you see you? No, what kind of argument you want with Nightly Fix? What kind of argument you want? You want with wisdom? What kind of argument you want with the man there, with Wiz and his wife? What kind of argument you want with J.A. Radio, Nightly Fix? And that more I know. What kind of vibes you want with the man them? Eh? To the man them rise to success, so the man them get acknowledgement where you never achieve yet. That's why you go like that. And then you know, that same boy the name keep rich, you know, win two look at clash, you know, because of gimmicks business and him not give the man them no time for talk. So when them are merciless and matter and clash, you know, him not give the man them no time for talk, you know, and a be a batty argument him depend, you know. Then hear him now, you know, think him are the baddest thing in the world. I throw this song off of vybz Kartel. I'm bumbucklat I do, you know. And the man them a say, I want him to look a clown, you know. With him look a nurse to rhyme. You know what I mean? From them time, them is a man drop him ratings. Him get two look a hype, him start throw this song off of vybz Kartel. Keep with your bad man artist. You and the boy there, you know. Pan Nightly Fix, you know, when him narrow, you know, the same thing, you know. You know, some youth look like some uptown youth, you know, not supposed to in a dance hall, you know. And you boy narrow, you better stop that, you know. You hear me I tell you? You better stop that, you know. I see him, so I see you go like you don't want to violate Munga for put you in your place, you know. For your own program, you know. Understand yourself, you know, youth. Or bend down and blow yourself, you know. Don't go like you feel like you can hide behind your camera or your mic and go like say you think you can deal with people any way you want, you know. Remember the general, you know, the 10-star one, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know, youth. You hear me? We smell bad mind come from here, you know, it stink up the whole internet, you know. Every youth will drop video on YouTube and them shit there. You supposed to start heal. I heal J.A. Radio and Gaza Diva. You see what I deal with? Because the same thing them do, and from them I get them establishment there, and them I get them acknowledgement there. You're supposed to see the world and watch with. You know what I mean? So it no matter who first get trend set, all you have to do is follow. Stop count cow, you know, boy, drink milk, you know, and stop going like a cow you count, you know. You hear me? Because a long time me I watch you, you know. You hear me? And don't feel like set. You can play with man thing, you know. Watch. And the general, the 10-star one, you know, represent, you know, in a live and living colors, you know. And back to my Gaza argument, you know. As me say, the world boss are the alpha omega of this thing. That nuffy I say. That me hear nuffy I tell Winfred. You know what I mean? A long time me I cook, you know, so I can take off the hot pot with blood, you know. Yeah, I'm undead to that blood clot, man. I years me I do that, son. You know what I mean? And if you know me not stay like some clown, you know. You know what I mean? I can't get things done, you know, dog. I can teach a good woman how to be a blood clot, good wife, you know. You know what I mean? You know, a sugar as a man operate. And you know no lollipop thing. You see what I say? You have to know the thing go. You see me? The general, the 10-star one. You see what I say? You know what hardcore ghetto youth, we don't deal with lollipop thing. You see what I say? But as I say, the world boss are the alpha omega for dancehall. That the man make me know. Stink dead from how much years and look how much artists. Look how much artists they out there. Where people are saying, yo, this one are the baddest, this one are the wickedest, this one of the most lyrics, this one of that, this one of that, this. No, them can't keep a blood clot sting. But them see the freedom of the world, boss, and what them say, Sting alive again. So that does to show you, say, without Vybz Kartel, dancehall thing come like it kind of stagnant in a certain way. Because guess what Vybz dancehall missing? It missing Vybz Kartel. It missing the lyrics. It missing the controversial. It missing the stage show performance. It missing the new artists them where you start bust to and from in a dancehall. Not only youth, all girl too. All of them things they missing. Real true talent. You see me, you know Vybz Kartel have the ears and the brain for them shit there, you know what I mean? You don't see him prove it already, man. I have to tell you nothing. Portmore Empire, Gaza. What more than need? Now the big blood clot album out for drop. When you go and see something when that drop. The big album all some boy there and attack and feel like some lollipop thing. You don't know, you know. You don't know, you know, the big bad TG record, you know, dog. I hit me, because them, you know, dog. Yeah, man, them and Vybz Kartel together and a lollipop thing. Well, I don't know, you know. And the general, you know, the 10-star one, you know, I represent, you know, for the Gaza, you know, in a loud effect, you know, and again, me I go say, boy, narrow. On nightly flicks. You see, if you drop off of your bed and lick up your head, you know what I mean? You better go gain back some senses. You hear me? And stop going like a pussy behind the camera. Or the general I tell you that the 10-star one and a lollipop thing. Watch.